Hello, I will show you how to you add any product, any product and add any categories. First, I will show you. I hope you can easily upload your products, your any hats and others, t-shirt, polo shirt, and kids custom and another. So first, you need to your website. One tab you open, and this is your website. Is main site. This is front view. This your website. So you can here your website, and this I can show you how to change. First you show this is exclusive hat dot in font category. This is all is categories. This is all categories, and we show you how to this category change, name change, anything, any spelling error you change. First then you know progress and there admin and click, then you can go your password and admin panel, then login. So this is panel. This panel is dashboard, and here too you can anything change. So this is we can first show you category name, any error changes you can, any category remove or changes. You can go and you can see this dashboard to this here products. This product list is all product uploaded there, and new product is new product uploaded there. This is categories. Click categories. Then if you want to add any category, just here just name, right, and here showing. If you want to any categories name correction, I mean spelling correction or anything change, just you can click with quick edit, then you can change. Just change this, and Slack is automatic. If you change full this name, then you can just delete, then you can again then you can update. This way you can category name change or any correction you can do it this way. I hope you can understood how to this website. And if you want to make any category, just you can see. And if you want to test its main category, if you want a parent category, this any category child you main, then you can select here. Then you go like exclusive. The under I want to look like a umbrella underwear, this way custom under. You can just here select parent, then you can just click. Here you can, if you want to upload any picture, then you can have this is backend uploaded media library, all many pictures. If you want to new upload, then you have to you can upload this way. Maybe like this, and if you want to add new, okay, you can see this. You can see this is under category. Okay, if you want to this which category you no need, then you can delete here. You can delete here. So this way too you can any category, any name by any category delete, any category name change. This way you can. I hope you can understood, and you can easily change any category's name fast. Then usually regularly we uploaded new pictures, then you can see all pictures go. This any category here you can you can change any name just same way. So if you want to I go one category, then like I want marks, যেমন this marks, and we go marks category, marks. This marks category, you click, then marks category under how many products uploaded, those all here showing. Okay, and if you want to this product any changes, any this marks product any changes, any price, anything, any color, description, anything, then you can go here, you can click. Here remember, যদি you just only this name change, then you can quick edit and just save. যদি you only title change, then you can quick edit. Otherwise, যদি you can change on many things like price, then you can edit. You can edit then you can edit this is product title. This is not we write this, I write here is product like marks name, but this is a product name like underwear, t-shirt, polo shirt, like this like this. Here is description, this looking, this under is description, short product short description showing also here, you can see. This product name and price showing, and here something is more description and details, another text, then this description showing here. Okay, now if you want to any pictures here, then you can click. If you want to another marks, then you can click here, remove, then you can upload new picture, your then like your many picture here uploaded, and you can like I upload, then you can here is one feature product image here showing, and if you have another more color marks, then you can here upload it like not, this is not a marks, but I just showing how you can show. You can no need, then you can just delete one. You can any more many type of many products here showing. Okay, this is not, this is so, and this product image is this, and now you can price. So this is price is normally you can price showing is, if you have many categories, then you can click, and so your price is here. Look, attributes to, you can color and size added. Here you can click, and in this color you can click, and you can see color variation. You can see this add new color, and just you can variation. Variation means different color and different price. Then you can add to one variation like variation, and this color here select like, and every color price different. So you can click here, and every color picture you can here to add different color picture, and here is price like, and this white color is white marks and price different. If you have different price, then you can here put different price. If you have same price, then you write same price this way, and then you can update, save, and every save after you can just any product update. Just if you want to this is wrong category currently, then you can change here to which category you want. Just if you want to one product is two categories, then you can one more click here. You can see two categories showing. Just this. Okay, I hope you can this understood. So now I can show you how to you can add new product. Okay, you can just here add new product. Just I can show you one category. Just every category same way you can add to product. Those test marks like white marks MASK marks. Then if you want to here to your description there, just here you can write here description, and here you can then when you add new product, then you can every time you can when new product add, then you can get publish option, and when you can any product edit, then you can update option, then you can. So this is marks category, so I click here marks category, and I can show you here one product, so I can just white marks and just testing for just white marks, just testing for okay. This product feature product image set product image is in here only, and this more picture app already also gallery. Like I have no now like I can show you. I have show you one complete product app. The same way to you can any product add any product add, delete, update, anything. Just I can here show you one more. So like look three marks showing. So here you uploading. When any product uploading, then remember you should picture size is 1000 pixel white and minimum height 700 or 100. Like you can upload you can see add, then you can more picture, then you can have control keyboard to control plus click here and click, then add to gallery. Then three category 4 picture, and any picture you can move and serially anytime. So first marks product name, then category, then we have some যদি any product we have to be only an item, then no any color, we cannot use this color, then you can just here simple product you can add simple product and then published. Okay, now publish and save, and now we can marks category. Now we can see this product is added here. Okay, this product is only one, have no color, no variation, so that's simple way to add product. If you want to have more option, different color and different size, then here this option how to add I can show you now. Then you can go this page and you can just here to variable product here to variable product, and this external product and variable product, Then first select here product data to variable product, then attributes, then here you can see this color you want to first color and size. So we want to color, to add color, click here. Okay, color you, and we can select here and here click and have this marks how many color, green, blue, red, like the 3 color, just example. Then you can save it. Okay, now if you want to now size, then you can size. If you want to this marks no size, so no problem, no need to add size. And I can show you just how to color size add. Then you can size option click, then use variation here. If you want to all, then all click and save. If you have you have many other size, then you can create another way. I can show you that. Now you can variation click, and variation 2 you can see variation 2 first you can click add here. Okay, keep blue, size is small, another, and white, that's it. We have now 2 size, then you can do the different color, different size, then you can have show different and have price, like, and have different pixel or L1. This now save. Now after you can this update, so you can go here, you can see go color, 2 color showing, and this one you can see. When you can see if you want red color for red marks, then red show, one select red, then showing this here to reason, this here to you can variation to, you can quantity available here, out of stock. If you have not quantity, then you can. If you want to, like, you have marks 1000, like 1000 quantity available stock, then minus 500, then like. And now I can show you how to attribute more size. So this is for need for you go attributes. You can here, if you add to another attributes like color, size, so you can add color. If you want to color any color, click here configure terms, then you can here color orange, like. If you want to any more color, then you can click here, then color. If you want to only another size, here, then here click, and you can any another size you can write XXL, like you want to, and you can add here attributes. If you have many size, then you have to add for this, and you can every product you can add. And now you can now now I can show you how to this now this product you no need, then you can trust, click trust, or you can this product draft. Then this draft means then now not showing, you can see. So if you want to no need, then you can trust and trust. So if you want to any product update, then you can go this product and Jogar and title and everything you can change. And here too you can see one product. This is only for your work is only product add, and if you want to know it, then you can this one trust, click trust. Trust me, does bin go. Okay. Now I can show you how this way you can any product you can add. So now I can show you how to you can change any picture here to any information here, and now I can show you now. So just now click here custom, customs, click after you can get this page, click, and when you log in after you get this option, and you can here then first I can show you this here you can add any picture or any picture remove, then here click, then you can see here some product, click here you can upload this any change, you can see any picture, then you can see change, and here many pictures here, every some picture new. If you want to any add new, then here click every slide here many picture. If you want now this and this section you can anytime product change, and if you want to this section change any, you can click, and here is trending now. When here is some category product, which category select, then tick mark which product here showing which category. If you want to only one category product, then you can click here one, otherwise you can if you want to more category, then click more mark, select more category. Another way, if you want one category, then you click one, then product category product. This is sub categories, this is categories product. If you want to some categories showing this same like way, if you want only two categories or four categories showing, this you can tick mark showing. Then this side you can popular. If you have popular product, and this is popular product is automatic here showing this which product is popular, and this is right now here same way you can here to random hot then you can here change product, and you can see two two picture here, and this here too you can change all categories or two categories. If you want to different category, then you can showing here different category. Like if you want to custom cut section, then you can show only show the custom section product here only. So if you want to now custom section, then custom, then you can here some more picture, then you can one by one band click and upload, and every and this, and if you want to here to change, then you can click here story, and then you can change anything, and description this you can enter have change, and you can hear this option and contact information. You can click contact and you get this option, and you can change. You can product, you can this option. Yes, anything you can change anyway. Okay, I hope you can understand. And everything up, you can everything this page after you can click publish. Everything upload you can publish. Then you can view. Then you can change anything. Okay, I hope you can understand, and you can upload any books to your website. I hope. Judy.